Imagine ordering a burger. You don't go inside the kitchen and say, first heat the pan to 120 Celsius. Now flip the patty, add exactly 3 pickles, right? No, you should press order burger. That, my friends, is abstraction. And if every restaurant promises, if you press order burger, you will get a burger, right? That promise is basically an interface. Today, we are going to understand abstraction versus interface in programming using burgers, remotes, and lazy programmers. What is abstraction? Abstraction means hiding complicated stuff and showing only what is necessary. For an example, you use a TV remote. It has buttons such as power, volume, channel, right? But inside the TV, there are circuits, signals, processing, and software. You don't care about those. You just press power. That is abstraction. If programmers had to understand everything before using it, nobody would ever write code. We would still be debugging electricity. To create an abstract class, we use the abstract keyword. Let's see. I'm gonna create an abstract class named animal. Let's create it. New Java class. Give the name animal. Press it. Remove this. Use abstract keyword. Right. Now here, animal is an abstract class, right? The abstract keyword is a non-access modifier used for classes and methods. Abstract class is a restricted class that cannot be used to create objects, right? Abstract method can only be used in an abstract class, and it does not have a body, right? The body is provided by the subclass inherited from, right? An abstract class can have both abstract and regular methods, right? Let's create an abstract method, right? Abstract void make sound. Remember, abstract method hasn't any body, right? Okay. So, also we can create a regular method. How? Void legs result right. Abstract class can have regular and abstract methods, right? Let's try to create an object inside the abstract class, right? No, we can't create an object. It gives errors, right? Okay. This says every animal must have a make sound method, right? But it doesn't say how. To access the abstract class, it must be inherited from another class, right? Let's create a class dog, right? It should be inherited from animals. Use extends keyword and animal, right? Now public void you can access this, right? Make sound. Wait, make sound, right? And now we can give the value, right? This is the dog sound, right? Okay. And how can we call this, right? We can call it main, create an object on dog, d is equal to new dog, and d dot make sound, right? And print it. See, it gives dog's sound, right? Animal just says, guys, make some sound. I don't care how. That's abstraction. Why and when to use abstract classes and methods? To achieve security, right? Hide certain details and only show the important details of an object, right? Remember, abstraction can also be achieved with interfaces. What is an interface? Now imagine phone chargers. Every phone charger follows a standard port like USB-C, Lightning, etc. Right? The charger says if you plug into this port, electricity will come, but doesn't care Samsung, Xiaomi, laptop or power bank. They all follow the same interface. Interface is equal to a contract, right? It says if you implement me, you must implement these methods, right? An interface is a completely abstract class that is used to group related methods with empty bodies, right? Like abstract methods, right? Let's create an interface, right? Named animal, right? Okay. Cannot be class. Delete it. Now you can create an interface, right? Okay. Java class interface animal. enter. Right. This is our interface, right? Let's create methods, right? And okay, these are the methods, right? And you can see those haven't any bodies, right? Okay, now to access the interface methods, the interface must be implemented by another class with the implements keyword, right? The body of the interface method is provided by the implement class. Like inheritance, right? Inheritance is used, extends, interface uses implements keyword, right? Let's create another class named dog, right? And implements animal, right? Now we can give the body to these two methods, right? How? Public void make sounds, bow, right? Okay, and sleep, public void sleep, right? Result z, right? Like this, right? How can we call these things? We can create an object from dog, right, and run it. It gives the output like this, right? Sound and sleep method. Also we can use this, right? Interface doesn't care how you make a sound, right? Programmers love abstraction because it hides complexity. It's like when your parent asks, "How does your code work?" and you say, "It's complicated." That is maximum abstraction, right? If this video helped you finally understand abstraction versus interface, drop like and comment bark, mew or moo so I know which animal is watching my videos, right? See you the next programming lesson. Until that, bye bye.